Donkeys. Farm animals. Donkeys. Table of content. Meet the donkeys. Hee-haw, the donkeys bray loudly on the farm. The sound can be heard from far away. Donkeys bray to communicate with each other. This is a donkey. The sound of a donkey is bray. Donkeys have shaggy coats. Many donkeys are gray, but they can also be black, brown, and red-brown or white. Some are even spotted. Some are spotted. And many are just gray color. There are 3 types of donkeys. 3 types. Miniatures are less than 36 inches, 0.9 meters tall. Standards are 36 to 54 inches tall. Mammoths are more than 54 inches, 1.4 meter tall. Mammoth donkeys are the biggest donkey. Miniature is the smallest. Standard is the medium. And mammoth is the biggest. There are more than 44 million donkeys in the world. Many lived on farm. Donkeys weigh up to 570 pounds, 258 kilograms. They can live 25 years or more. These are the donkeys. 44 million donkeys in the world. Adults and babies. Donkeys grow up on the farm. Male donkeys are called jacks. Females are called jennies. Foals are baby donkeys. They stand and walk soon after birth. The baby donkeys are called foal. Baby donkeys are called foal. The mama donkey is called jenny. On the farm, donkeys spend their time in fenced pastures. They eat grass and hay. Donkey also need a stable or barn. It protects donkey from the rain, the wind, and the snow. Donkey eats hay or grass. Donkeys are strong. They can carry heavy loads on their backs. Donkeys can also pull carts. Long time ago, farmers used donkeys to plow fields. This donkey is very strong. He can pull the whole cart of heavy loads. A donkey's road. Today, farmers use donkeys to protect sheep, cattle, and goats. Why? Because donkeys do not like foxes and dogs. Donkeys bray and chase them away with their herd. So donkeys can look after the sheep and goats. Donkeys can be kept as pets because farmers also use donkeys to calm nervous horses. The donkey stays with the horse in the stable and pastures. Children likes to play with donkeys and keep them as pets. Groceries. Bray. To bray is to make a loud, harsh noise. Coat is an animal fur or wool. Communicate is to share information, thoughts, or feelings. Herd is a large group of animals that live or move together. Nervous is to be scared or timid. Pastures is a land where farm animals eat grass and exercise. To plow means to turn over the soil before seeds are planted. Stables is a building or part of a building where farm animals are kept. Animals such as donkey, horse, and cattle use stables. Read more. Internet sites. The end. Thank you. And other series in the farm animals is that there are alpacas, chickens, cows, donkeys, ducks, farm dogs, goats, horses, pigs, sheep. Quack, moo, hee haw. It's another day on the farm. From boarding ducks to baying sheep, farm animals have big roles to play. Find out about each animal's physical features, diets, life cycle, and what life is like living on the farm. Donkeys are at home on a farm. They can pull heavy loads and even guard other animals. Find out all about these important farm animals.